get ready to create the cutest accessory. In this video, I'll show you how to craft a beautiful pearl beaded heart-shaped bag charm. It's super easy and perfect for adding a touch of elegance. To make this charm, you'll need 10 mm pearl beads, 0.30 mm nylon wire. First, take your nylon wire and pick up 4 pearl beads. Bring them down, then tie a few knots to make it secure. Now, pass the end wire through the next bead to secure it. Then carefully cut the excess. Now, pass the needle through the next bead. Next, pick up 3 more beads and pass the needle back through the same bead from the back side. Now, pass the needle through the side upper bead. Pick up 3 more beads and pass the needle back through the same bead. Now you can see the point of the heart has formed. Pass the needle to the side upper bead. Pick up 3 more beads and pass the needle back through the same bead. Now, pass the needle through the center upper bead to start the left side of the heart's upper part. Pick up 3 more beads and pass the needle through the outside bead on the side. Now pass the needle through the side beads, coming to the center down bead at the point. Then, when you reach the corner bottom of the heart, pass the needle upwards through the side heart bead we formed, coming towards the center to complete the remaining half upper side. Now pick up 2 pearl beads, then add the lobster clasp for the bag charm, and finish with 1 more pearl bead. Pass the needle through the outer side bead. Now pass the needle from the side beads and come to the corner bead downside. Pass the needle upwards, going through the upper side we created before the round corner of the heart. Pass through all that one more time to make it more secure. Now, tie a few knots, pass the needle through a few more beads, and tie a few more knots. Finally, cut the excess. And here you have it. Your beautiful pearl heart-shaped bag charm is ready. It's so easy to make, perfect for gifting, or even to sell. Go make your own. If you liked this video, please do like, share, and subscribe for more creative videos. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll be sure to reply.